And she come back again, I'm like a Mexican. I've been a Mexican, I'm universal. And I'm back again to fill my trap again. Like Quasimodo, ain't no frap again. Up in my bag again, I got the raw hoe. See me trafficking like ain't no stopping. Baby,
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Yes, got my cute little filter on. It is hot, honey, okay? Let's get into this new little drip. Yes, finally back with another video. This is a sexy little short little do that I picked up. I thought she was really cute. I love the stock card. Yes. So I got this one in a number 2, and I think her name is ARIA or ARIA. Something like that, to that effect, okay? Don't judge me, okay? Let's get this little cutie out of the box. Let's see what we're working with. Here she is. There is our stock card, more up close and personal. I love the little short do. I don't like short do's that much, but I thought this was cute. So here she is out of the pack. It's kind of a silky texture, not yucky. Here is our parting area. It's a deep parting. It's really good. Cap construction, you got 2 combs off to the side. It's a breathable cap. You also have a comb in the back. And then I noticed the band, nice and stretchy. There's a good placement for the band. And then you also have the adjustable straps as well. Yes, she's really pretty. She's very soft. Like I said, not yucky. This is more on the silky texture. Now that is a very soft lace. Love the lace on there. Really good color. Yes, let's try her on. So I was just letting you know that the band is not adjustable. It's just on there. Nice little stretchy little band. So let's try her on and see what we're working with. See if I like it. Yes. So this is me putting her on and just trying to get her situated. Okay. This is cute. I was like I said, I'm not a short hair type girl, but I was looking for something because it was getting so hot and I just wanted something that was really cute that I can throw on. Here is our ear to ear, which is really good. I like how the lace tapers off right at the ear. Love that, love that. Here is the other side. Yes. Them baby hairs kept getting in my way. They were working my last nerves because I couldn't figure out what the heck to do with those. But anywho, try to get this on. So here is a side view. Turn around to the other side. Yes. And here is the back. It's nice and full. No gaps. All right. So I'm going to take her off. And then I am going to get my tint spray and I'm going to tint her. Yes, yes, yes. Spray a little bit just on the parts that I know there's going to show. Let it dry. Then we're going to pop her back on. Yes, you see I didn't put them glasses on, honey. Okay. It's time to talk business. Yes, I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do with that. Just so you know that there is fuller hairs up there. So if you're not a fuller hair type girl, they do have the little fuller hairs up there. I love it when I have my little bump at the top. So this is me putting some of my powder, and I use Bare Minerals Truffle 29 if you're interested to know about that. And I'm just trying to hit those spots that are going to be seen. Yes, just trying to zhoosh that up a little bit. Yes, yes, yes. Got to make sure that she cute. Ha! Just needed to go and put some more up at the top because them fuller hairs were still working my nerves. They were kind of getting on the way. Fuller hairs and baby hairs. Still trying to figure out what I wanted to do with that. But it's all good. She's kind of coming together and looking kind of cute. I'm like, yes, I can get on a Zoom call with this, honey. Okay. I was like, I just got to try to figure it out. Probably put some hairspray up there. Anywho, let's talk about it. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel today. Yes, it's been a minute since I brought you a review because honey, it is hot as hell. Okay, we are in the triple digits. It is extremely hot, so excuse the fan in the background. I got my AC going because otherwise I couldn't be setting my black ass here. Okay, that's all this makeup will be melted off. Okay, and these wigs would be hot as hell, so excuse the fan in the back. Okay, triple digits, y'all. Woo, we ain't never got that damn hot in Washington, but honey, it is hot. Okay. I was like, I'm gonna wait on doing the wig reviews until it calmed down a little bit. So today is the first day that I can come bring y'all something. Like I said, I'm not in my studio, I'm in my bedroom because that's the only place that has AC. Ooh, let's get into this wig, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe for future videos. If you are already part of the Sweets family, welcome back to another video. I appreciate you guys so much. Also, make sure that you hit a like if you like this video. Also, make sure that you share it with your friend, your homie, your cousin, your brother, anybody, honey. Let YouTube know how you're enjoying these videos, and let's hop right into this one. About this little wig that I got on. Okay, I got my glasses on because I feel like this is like some business hair. Okay, like I'm taking my ass in the office to work. Okay, type hair. Okay, this ain't no, yes, I want to be sexy and put on my sexy ass clothes for my man. This is, bitch, let's talk about money type hair. Okay. That's how I'm feeling in this wig. Okay, I'm feeling real grown and mature. Okay. Anywho, so today we are coming with a wig, and I think it's called ARIA or ARIA, something like that, right here. And this is from Awesome T Wigs. Now, I've never heard of this company, but I saw the wig and I saw the stock card. Hopefully y'all can see that. Into that so y'all can kind of see that. So I saw the stock card, and of course I got this off of wigtypes.com. So I saw the stock card and I was like, oh, she kind of cute. You know, I'm not a short hair type girl, but I was like, I said she looked kind of cute and it's hot as hell. So I was like, this could be something that I could just wear on my little Zoom calls when I'm talking to people. You know, I was like, this is kind of cute. So she has a T lace, and it's 100% premium hair blend, okay, and realistic HD lace. The lace was really good. It wasn't too light. It was very soft, and I like when I get that soft lace. Now, you do have some baby hairs up there, but I wasn't feeling like, y'all know I'm not a baby hair person, so I was just kind of trying to move those back. You know, I do like the kind of little swoop action that she kind of got going on, kind of right here, right there. I just put some hairspray in her so she would stay back because I thought it looked better like that, kind of pushed to the back. I mean, what y'all think? But I think that's kind of cute. But I was like, okay, she has some cute colors, but let's get into the specs of this wig. So like I said, this is an Awesome T Lace Human Blend HD Lace Front Wig, and her name is Ari or Ara, something like that, ARIA, however you pronounce that. She has a 5-inch lace part. She has a realistic hairline. It says that she's ready to wear. Pretty much she is. After you cut off that lace, depending on if you want to spray your lace or not, I mean, she's pretty much easy, beginner friendly, kind of put on and type go type wig, which I love. It says that she's tangle free and she comes with natural baby hairs. That's pretty much it. She does come in some other colors. You can go on wig types and check those out. She has like a 99J. She has a red one that looks kind of pretty. And I have her in the color number 2. I wanted to choose something different. 2 is more natural color of my natural hair, so I just want to try something different other than just like a number 1. And like I said, she's definitely giving grown woman vibes, okay? This is, like I said, this is more of a go to work type wig instead of a going out, but you know, everybody is different. So some people may be like, no honey, I will go out and slay this wig just how it is. For me, it's not my sex appeal. So like I said, this will be something that I will wear for work and work only, not something that I will wear out on a date with my husband. That's why I got my little specs on, because I feel like this is like, yes, I'm going into the office, or hello, I'm sitting on a Zoom call. Hello, and how are you? Okay. Y'all tell me what y'all think. I don't know. For me, I mean, it's cute. I can't even say if it's a slay or nay because it's kind of like, for me, an in-between. You know, like I said, it's really cute. Like I said, for me, I think it's kind of like a an in-between because it's not something that, you know, I would normally wear. It's not something that I would wear out on a date night, but it is something that I would wear for work. So, I mean, it's like a maybe for me. Y'all let me know in the comments below. You know, some people love that short hair. You know, I'm just one that's kind of like, if it's cute, I'll try it. Like I said, I thought this was cute by the stock card. But, you know, some people wear that short hair. And, hey, I'm with y'all. Y'all rock it. Y'all look sexy as hell wearing y'all short hair. It's just me. I just have a different vibe and a type, you know, a different vibe. So it's just like everybody is different. So you just never know. But like I said, she's cute. I love the little bang action. And they do have layers in her. And then this side is just kind of straight. You know, she is super cute. She's very full. She has some fuller hairs up here, so that's why you're able to get all the hair, so you can kind of get that full type bang action and have it up there. So be mindful of that if you don't like, you know, it being like heavy at the top, you know, you might want to think about something else. But it does have them fuller hairs up there to kind of give you that bang action that, you know, so many of us be wanting. So, I mean, besides that, she's super cute. It doesn't tell me the length. I would say she's probably like, I wouldn't even say a 12. I would say maybe a 10 because she's kind of short. But, you know, with this hot weather, this could be a good one, okay? So, you guys, I do have some more stuff coming, but I'm just trying to wait for this heat to kind of die down so I can get back in my studio. Stuff coming, so make sure if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe at the link below. Turn on the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And until next time, my sweets, always follow me on my Instagram handle right here. If you are not following me on Instagram, I do post on there a lot more than I post on YouTube. So if you want to know what I'm doing, go ahead and follow me at my handle below. And until next time, my sweets, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.